Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to live transcribe voice memos on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is open the Voice Memos application. You want to click the record button at the bottom of the screen, and that's going to automatically start recording your voice, and it's going to automatically start transcribing your voice. Now if you want to see the transcription happening in real time, you want to swipe up on the voice recording, and then you want to click the speech bubble in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Here you can see a real-time representation of the transcription. Once you're ready to finish the recording, you want to click pause and then click on Done in the bottom right-hand corner. Here you'll see the voice memo has been added to the list. You can rename this voice memo by clicking on the title and rename it from here. You can also play the voice memo by clicking the play button and scrolling through it. Now, if you click on the little audio wave dialog on the left-hand side of the voice memo, you're going to get a few options. You can preview the voice memo by viewing the wave format, or if you select the speech bubble in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll be able to see the live transcription of the voice memo. You can tap any word on the transcription to skip to any part of that recording. You can also replace part of the voice memo by clicking on any word in the transcription and clicking on Replace at the bottom to record the replacement section of the voice memo. Once you are finished, you want to click on Done in the bottom right-hand corner. Your voice memo is ready to store or share. To share the voice memo, you want to click on the three dots to the right of it, and then you want to click on Share. In the Share menu, you can share this to other contacts or devices, or you can use this in any other application. And that is how you use live audio transcription in voice memos. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.